Hey Lash Pros! Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the LashX Pro Kit. This kit is everything you need to do about 200 full sets of lashes, and this is what comes with our full certification course. So let's just open it up and take a look, see what's inside. The first thing, which is really our hero product, is our LashX Speed Adhesive. If you guys haven't tried this lash adhesive before, this is really what put LashX on the map. So this is our 10 ml bottle. Once you open it, it lasts 3 months. It lasts up to a year in the fridge, so it's really great. Just so you guys can see, it's really thin. 1 drop is gonna do a full set. So just that amount is gonna do a full set, and it's actually gonna dry flexible. Why it's important that your adhesive dries flexible is because a flexible bond is going to last better, it's going to be more comfortable, and it's going to be healthier on the lash because less pulling and torque at the hair follicle when the lash softly moves with the natural hair. So the next thing is our gel pads, and these are not something we make, we distribute them, and they're the absolute best on the market. The reason is because they don't get too gooey. For any of you that have been doing lashes, you know some gel pads are too wet, and as you're taking a little time to do the service, it could actually kind of creep into the eye. So having a gel pad that isn't too gooey is really important. It's also lint free, so it's not going to stick little fuzzies on your hair. And they come in this nice little tray. Here's the gel pad, you guys can see. It's not too gooey, but it holds the hairs, so you actually don't need any medical tape. I really very rarely use med tape, but it is important to have in there just in case any of your clients happen to be allergic to one of the anti-aging ingredients. And every now and then you'll have someone that's a little sensitive to it. So for those people, I will use the med tape. You are actually gonna get 5 trays of classic lashes, and these are our speed trays. What that means is there's gonna be a curl. This is a C curl. There's the volume and then all the lengths down the side. So 5 trays pretty much are gonna give you every look because you're getting all these different lengths, curls, and volumes. So really everything you need to do every look. They're super soft. Our lashes are actually part of the Flexi hold technology that we've developed. And what all that means is our lashes, even though they're called mink, but they're cruelty-free, they're vegan, they're man-made, and basically they're made of a nylon polymer. And so it's super flexible and soft. And when it meshes with our flexible adhesive, you get what we call our Flexi hold technology. And what that means is when I'm wearing my lashes, there's absolutely no torque, tension, or pull on my hair follicle. My extensions just move with the natural hair, and there's no damage ever caused. So we love that. It makes them healthier and it makes them last longer. So you get 5 trays of these. There's a B, a J, or a C curl, which is our 3 curls, and they go from a 0.10 to a 0.20 in volume. So you're getting every volume, every length. The lengths go from 8 to 16, and you're getting, actually we have 18s, but they don't come in the kit. Those are for the real glamour girls. So you're getting everything you need to do about 200 full sets with those lashes. Also in here, you get 1 tray of rainbow lashes, which are these here. And a lot of people are afraid to use color, but I don't know if you guys can tell, I have purple in. Color can be super subtle. It doesn't always have to be like a clown. I know it looks very impactful in this tray because against each other, they're really vibrant. But for a redhead, mixing the brown and the burgundy could be gorgeous with green eyes. Mixing in some purple with the black lashes is just a subtle highlight, or blue with someone with really dark hair. It's just really gorgeous. So don't be afraid to experiment with the color. You'll have people get into it. It's really fun. What else? I guess I'll go over here. So this is part of our 3-step system. This is our LashX Pro Line treatment. So this is the lash and brow enhancer. Basically, use this every day for 3 weeks and your natural brows and lashes will triple. How it works, there's no prostaglandins or steroids. So you're never gonna have any side effects. What it does, it has 3 peptides, and the peptides work to root that hair with protein, build up the keratin, which is what our hair is made out of, and keep the lash in the anagen stage, or the growth phase, 48% longer before shedding, which means your lash extensions actually last 2 weeks longer before they shed. So you can see it's a serum, and you would just do a thin coat right through the brows, through the lash line. You could do consistently once a day for 3 weeks, and the natural lashes again will triple and your extensions last 2 weeks longer. This is something you would sell to your lash clients to help them maintain the lash. With our system, the cleanser here, the serum, and then our Flexi hold technology I mentioned, you're gonna get a 6 to 8 week hold between fills. So it's the longest possible, and it's all because of this product keeping that lash in the growth phase 2 weeks longer. So it's really an important step. It saves the client time, money, and this would retail for $120, so it's a great value. Also in here you get the gel adhesive remover. What's awesome about this adhesive remover, it's real thick. It's not gonna drip or get in the client's eye when you're doing a removal. It's almost hard to squeeze out. You know, I have to like really try. And then it comes out pretty thick, which makes it awesome because it's not gonna drip when you're using it. We've got all your little keys to lock our box. Thank you, that's sweet. Free shipping, next order. These are appointment cards. It's gonna have all the directions for your clients after they leave your chair, as well as you can put their next appointment information for their touch-up. And the back has some retail you might recommend, so you can circle that for them. And this folds nicely, so it fits in the wallet. I find sometimes you give the client those big aftercare sheets and they just throw them out, where this, they can stick in their wallet and have all their appointment information with them. Our cleanser, I mentioned this, so this is the full size of the LashX Gel Cleanser. This cleanser, what makes it awesome is it's absolutely oil and glycol free, and it's free of parabens, sulfates, and surfactants. That means it's gonna keep the natural lash hydrated, it's not gonna dehydrate. So it helps our lash extensions last 2 weeks longer. It's a really beautiful gel consistency. It's never gonna foam or suds because there's no surfactant in it. So you can actually just use it with a washcloth, use it with water, it will emulsify, and it takes all your makeup off and leaves the lashes clean and hydrated. So that's step 1 in a 3-step process. So it's cleanse, adhesive, and pro liner to get the 6 to 8 week hold for your clients. We also have some Mascara Wands in here. These are self-explanatory. You're gonna need them while you're working to keep the lashes kind of in place. I also always hand it to the client when they leave so they have something to maintain their lashes with. Our pocket fan, and actually we have one opened here to show you guys. So this is after you're done your service. You just fan a few seconds and the client's ready to go. Because our adhesive has no fume, it's not gonna sting. You really don't have to fan forever, but we just do a few minutes to set them. Probably one of the most important things is our tool set. I love that this comes in a little wallet to keep your tools, and you can wipe it down. It has the 3 tools that are most important, or basically all you need when you start. So you're gonna get a hook pair, which is this pair here. These are used for isolating. A straight pair, which is this pair here. And I use this for banana peeling or sometimes pickup. Then lastly, the X. And the X is my absolute favorite tweezer of all time because it's gonna save your wrist. It is a reverse tweezer. So basically you don't have to keep tension on your hand, and you can flip it for doing eyebrow extensions, under lashes, and I use this for all my classic pickup. So X tweezer's the best. What else? Oh my gosh, there's our Lash Safe mascara. So this mascara is oil and glycol free as well, so it's not gonna make the lashes clump. So if your client just has to wear mascara at the bottom or on the tips, this is the one they need to use. Remember, oil will make the lashes clump. And lastly, but not least, is the protein remover wipes. And these are basically great for back bar. If your client cleans the lash but maybe still has a little buildup, you're gonna get in there and clean with this. Some clients like to purchase these for at-home kind of quick cleans, but most importantly, they want to do the cleanser at least 3 times a week. But this is just great to have. It's great to have back bar. I actually use this when I do tints. I use this when I do lash lifts. It's just easy because they're pre-soaked little pads. It almost looks like, you know, like an oxy pad or something. And you just fold it and you can kind of work any buildup out. So these are awesome to have. So that's everything in our LashX Pro Kit. I think it's really everything you need to get started. So we do sell this on the website, lashx.pro, But you get it free when you do one of our classes, because we really want, when you do take our certification class, that you're ready to hit the ground running and start making profits. So here's that, this folds up. And then again, you can just lock it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of our LashX Pro Kit.